Okay, welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende, FMD by Moses. In program number 32, we are going to learn on how to write a content of Word inside of a file. So, as we follow a guide from our book, source code should look like or as shown in figure 60, figure 60. And output from the console should be look like figure 61. So here we go. Open compiler, create new file in Dev C++, Control N for creating new file, hash include iostream, hash include fstream for file using namespace using namespace std, then create main function called int main. Yeah, okay, put a comment. C++ program to write in a file so char file name variable for holding the name of the file. Yeah, put a semicolon, enter, char data variable for holding data to write in a file, then put semicolon, cout, send message to the user on the screen, enter, name of the file to write inside it that's way. cin read file, entered file name, then cout enter data to be written, enter data to be written in, then put file name, which is variable called file name, is the variable which will be holding the name of the file. And then offstream write file, write file dot open, then pass the name of the file name, put semicolon, then cin data, read data entered by user. After that, after reading data from user, you should write data to the file. After writing the file, remember to close it. Write file dot close. You close your file, and after that, cout, send the message to the user that congrats, file called file name file name is written, file is written, then return 0. That's the end of our program. As you can see, everything is right. We want to write data into file. Okay, so let's see how we should save a file or save this program from our book. It should be saved as a write file. So compile it, save it, write file, and then save it. As you can see, our program is free of error and warning. So compile it. So enter the name of file to write in. I want to write in MoTech.txt, a file we created in our previous program. Yeah. So I want to write hey in mo.txt. So I put congrat file code mo.txt is written. Let us compare the output from our book to the output from the output of our console. So if you can see here, you'll notice that everything is looking the same, so we are correct. Also, we can open a file to see if it is already written. This is more.txt, so this is our message. Wow, that's genius. Thank you for watching. That is how to write in a file. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is MoTech, and I'm Noel Mwadende. See you in the next video. Thank you.